everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a party hat. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the outline of our hat, and I'm going to draw a big triangle. And to connect these two lines, I'm going to draw a curved line on the bottom. All right, perfect. Now let's jump up to the top and draw a little pom-pom for the top of our hat. And to do that, I've just made little, almost like rectangular shapes. So come out, over, and then back in. Out, over, and back. And it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, that looks great. Now you can either decorate your hat the way you want. I'm going to add a face to mine. So let's go down to the bottom. And I'm going to start with eyes and do like an upside down U shape. And I'm going to leave the eyes closed. And then on the edges, let's do some little eyelashes. And then between the two eyes, we'll do a line across and a U shape for a mouth and a little tongue. And then at the end of the eye, right about here, I'm going to draw a little circle, and that's going to be like their dimples. And then same on the left. Now for the design on my hat, I'm going to do diagonal stripes, but you can leave it plain or do something different. So for the stripes, I'm going to start up here on the right and draw an angled line down to connect to the other side. And I'm going to continue this all the way to the bottom. All right, that looks awesome. All right, so my hat is finished, and I want to add some fireworks up in the sky. So let's jump up here to the right side of our paper, and to make a firework, we're just going to do curved lines. So we're going to start in the middle and do a curved line out, start in the middle, And all of my lines are kind of different lengths. And that's what makes it really look like a firework. And then I added some dots in between my lines and at the end of some of my lines. All right, and I'm going to make another one right underneath. So we're going to start in the center and draw our curved lines out. And then add some dots. And I think I'm going to add one more on the left side. So we'll start in the center and draw our curved lines out. Now add our dots. That looks amazing, and I think we're ready to color now. Our party hat looks great. Now we're ready to celebrate. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.